The first day of school for the Leander Independent School District came with its fair share of challenges today. That's after the district had to delay high school until next Monday. The district's middle schoolers face sudden reboots throughout the first day of their online schooling. KXAN's Caitlin Carmouth spoke to a LISD parent who walked us through this first day.
So this is my son. What do you want? Did you just finish something?
It's a day of bouncing back and forth between virtual learning and working from home for Annie Hardy.
So on a scale from 0 to 10, you think the day is like a what?
A 9.
It's pretty awesome. Okay.
Overall, the day went smoothly, minus one hiccup mid-afternoon.
This afternoon, Leander ISD decided to shut down all of the devices in middle school so that they could do a software update. So she's trying to log on to her math class and everything shut down. It was really frustrating.
Hardy says she prepared for this.
We went into this saying it's not going to be perfect. It's just not. The district is doing everything they can.
We did have a vendor issue with our web content filtering service.
The vendor is called Content Creator. It's essentially a web filtering product. It's been tasked with getting all 18,000 of Leander's devices online. And last Friday, it told the district it could do that. But just last night, the company noticed a problem.
They called us and said, we made a miscalculation. We've had an issue with another school district that started earlier in the week, and that's what pointed us to this issue.
Leander superintendent says the company will be overnighting new software, and they plan to work tirelessly over the weekend to install it.
I feel really confident that tomorrow it'll be better, and then Monday it'll be better. We just have to pull back our expectations.
Caitlin Carmouth, KXAN News.
The Pflugerville, Lago Vista, and Llano ISD students all started their classes today as well. So far, no reports of problems out of those school districts.